Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix the problem of access fail on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings as you see. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Snapchat and we click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.